Tadoba is where magic infuses the views and landscapes, where nature relaxes you and calms your soul. It is known the world over for its extraordinary collection of fauna and flora, and the oldest and largest national park in Maharashtra, the Tadoba Andheri Tiger Reserve. Nested in the buffer zone is Nature Sprout's Tadoba Safari Stay. Among the charms of our resort is the variety and flexibility of our affordable accommodation. Whether you are a honeymoon couple, a trio of traveling companions, or a family group with grandparents and children, Nature Sprout's Tadoba Safari Stay has the ideal combination specially suited for your needs. Tadoba Safari Stay is valued for its high personal service, excellent home-cooked cuisine, and beautiful surroundings. This is the closest you can get to nature in combination with Western comforts for a unique experience. Surrounded by water bodies on one side and mountains on the other side, Nature Sprout's Tadoba Safari Stay will make your stay at Tadoba memorable, and we assure you that when you come as a guest, you will leave as a friend.